Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Introducing the luxurious Patek Philippe Geneve wristwatch, a true example of high Swiss craftsmanship and artisanal handwork. These pre-owned watches are in excellent condition. The case is made of steel with gold plating and adorned with exquisite hand engraving, custom-made. The 54mm case provides a bold and masculine look, complemented by a dark brown leather strap, making it a stylish and solid accessory. The mechanical movement is fully functional, featuring custom hand-engraved details, adding a unique value to the timepiece. The dial is in perfect condition, and the high-quality gold plating makes the watch shine brilliantly in the sun, catching the attention of those around. This is a true piece of jewelry that highlights the skill of Swiss watchmakers. These unique Patek Philippe watches will be a worthy addition for those who appreciate luxury and exceptional quality. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.